Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, we are cooking dinner. This is what we made, girl. I fried thin pork chops in my new Aukey home air fryer. Girl, this is how they turned out. So good. OMGG. I wish I would have done this sooner, but now we know, girl. This is definitely gonna be a thing. I cannot wait to fry more things in my air fryer, girl. Not that I've never used an air fryer, because I owned an air fryer before and I've always just did naked chicken wings. I've never tried to batter anything in it, but this came out wonderful, girl. So stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, we're gonna be using my new air fryer, and this is it right here, girl. She is huge. I have been wanting a big one for some time now. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I have a little one that I bought from Macy's some time ago, and I absolutely love it. I use it quite a bit actually, which prompted me to want a bigger one. So this is my new one that I have, and this is from a brand called Aukey Home. Now all of their information will be down below in the description box, so don't skip over it. Now this one does so much. It has so many different functions, girl. You can even bake cakes, you can air roast, you can dehydrate. I've made both apple chips and banana chips since having this air fryer. I absolutely love it. Let me go ahead and show you the inside of it. And you just press it. I just washed it and cleaned the little grate inside because I'm getting ready to use it. I just gave it a quick rinse and put it back in there. Okay, and then you can remove this little pan here. This is where you're gonna put all your goodies in here that you want to cook. So it's really easy to disassemble and clean it. You can clean it easily, okay? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try my hand at frying pork chops in it. So this will be my first time frying pork chops in an air fryer. Totally first time doing this. So we're gonna see that I'm going to be using. These are my seasonings. I'm just going with Creole seasoning, some black pepper. I have my rice and broccoli because that's what we're going to be preparing with the pork chops. And here are the chops. I did pick up a pack of thin chops. I wasn't sure about getting a pack of the thicker chops because I don't know how they're going to turn out. Like I said, this is my first time doing the pork chops in the air fryer. And I'm going to be trying this chicken fry here too. I've never tried a batter mix before, so this is my first time doing this. So we're going to see how it tastes and how it comes out. Now I've done fish fry before, but never the chicken fry. I don't think I have. But nonetheless, we're going to go ahead and fry these chops, girl. I'm going to go ahead and get them washed and seasoned. I'm going to preheat my air fryer now. Okay? Gotta give Goldie Gummies an honorable mention because I do take these every day. I want to say that these are really helping me maintain my weight loss as well as keep my hunger at bay, and they give me energy as I do take one in the morning right before I do my 2-mile ride on my spin bike. So if you've never experienced the apple cider vinegar gummies, girl, you're missing out. Yeah, these are something that you definitely want to incorporate in your day-to-day lifestyle. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and preheat. I already have it set to air fry. You can change the temperature here. It has different little buttons here, so you can change it if you like. I'm gonna cut it down some. Okay, I'm not sure how hot this should be for pork chops, but I feel like 360 is a good place for it. So we're gonna go ahead and start it up, and it does have a timer and all of that, and you can cut the light on and off to see what you got going on inside. Oh girl, it is fancy, girl. This air fryer is fancy schmancy. I'm so excited. Seasoning, I'm gonna go ahead and begin adding my seasonings to them. Remember, pork is already salty, so you don't want to add too much salt to your meat, okay? We ain't out here trying to have high blood pressure, okay? That's what we don't want. And we don't want unnecessary bloat, because salt makes you bloat. We are trying to have flat stomachs. So I'm going to season both sides of the meat. Honey, I like tasty foods though. I do want it to be tasty. And these will be good baked as well, guys. Okay, just because it says chicken fry, that doesn't mean it's specific to chicken, so miss me with that. It's just seasoned flour, okay? It's just seasoned flour. I'm gonna go ahead and open this, and I'm gonna use my kitchen shears. I have scissors dedicated to this type of stuff, okay? You don't want to use the same scissors that you use for household things. You just don't want to do that. Normally I would put this in a bag and just shake it up, but we're just gonna do it this way. I ain't got time for y'all to be coming for me either, because I would use a Ziploc bag, you know. But nonetheless, we're gonna get them evenly coated. This works too. Like I said, this is my first time frying anything in a batter or a flour in the air fryer, so I'm so excited about this to see how this turns out. So you want to evenly coat them, nice and coated, okay? They look so good. This flour smells so good. So now we're gonna walk them over to the air fryer and put them in. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in now. I've seen some people actually spray them with a cooking oil of some sort, but we're not gonna do that because we're on diets and we want to live a grease-free, oil-free life if we can. So I'm just placing them into the basket now, making sure they're spaced out. I can actually put 2 more in there, but this is a test run. So let me show you how they look inside. Alright, so that's what they are. Now let's go ahead and close it up. Alright. We're gonna see how they look in just about. How beautiful. Let's check them in 5 years. This is one a beautiful appliance, and I love the rose gold detail on it. It is gorgeous. So be sure to check out the links below to get yourself hooked up with this air fryer. It is absolutely beautiful on the counter, girl. This makes your kitchen look like you know what you're doing in there if you got this. This one's so nice. The nicest appliance I own. I love it. But I can't wait to taste these pork chops. While the pork chops are still going, I'm going to go ahead and get started on my rice and my broccoli. To measure, I'm going to cook 1 cup of rice, because if I don't measure this, girl, I'll have way too much rice. So I'm going to do 1 cup of rice. Not even a full cup, because there we go. I'm going to pour it into this strainer so I can rinse it off really good. I don't like my rice to be super starchy. I hate that. So I cook my rice in the rice cooker. It's like foolproof when you use the rice cooker. It just comes out perfect. So just put my broccoli in as well, so while my rice is cooking, my broccoli will be steaming. It just comes out so good, so delicious, so flavorful. And I did put salt and pepper in here, and I normally drop a bouillon cube in there as well. I think I'm still going to do that too. Check on the chops. Listen to that sizzle. Do you hear it? Alright, they're just about done. Girl, they smell so good. I can't wait to eat. So I just flipped them over. A little of the crispiness stuck to the bottom, so maybe I should have sprayed it. I don't know, but nonetheless, I'm gonna go ahead and just let them finish for another 10 minutes, and we should be ready to eat. All right, I'm setting it for another 10, and then they should be done. We should be plating them up. Alright, the rice and broccoli are now just about done, because when it's done, it'll switch from cooked to warm. So it's just about, I can smell the broccoli. OMGG, this is going to be so good. Gigi, look at these. Listen to the sizzle. So the timer just went off. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get everything plated up. And I can't wait to tell you how they taste. They look so good. It looks so good, guys. It looks so good. OMGG, I haven't taken a bite yet, but I just cut it so we can see. And it cooked perfectly. Perfectly cooked. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Well, girl, I'm going to go ahead and dig in. But before we go, I'm going to go ahead and take a bite. I'm so ready for this. I hadn't even made it to my table yet. Just going to take a bite right here. Girl. This is so good. You definitely have to try air fried pork chops. So delicious.